Welcome back. It's Cook and Inspire again. Yeah man, with Chef Garnet. And as I've promised you, I'm gonna do a 3-course meal. So this is part 2 of my 3-course meal. Alright, so this is the mains. And I'll be doing some pan fried salmon with spinach. Okay? I'm gonna blend some spinach and with some asparagus and cherry tomatoes. Yeah, so I'm gonna get down into seasoning my salmon, so I'll show you. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, yeah? And put on the post notification bell. Yeah man, you know it goes already. You know the rule, alright? So I'm gonna season my salmon right now, alright? So first, I'm gonna spray my salmon with some light fried coconut oil, yeah? Right, so just, the reason why I do that is just for the season to stick onto the salmon. Because don't forget, you put it on dry seasoning, so yeah. See? Right. And over here we got our seasoning already mixed up. I've got some Cajun seasoning, you know, some all-purpose seasoning. I've got some paprika, and I've got some little pink salt. Alright? Not too much, some black pepper as well. You want to season that lightly. Not too much. Just rub that seasoning in the salmon. Alright, so you see what the coconut oil does, or the oil, it does. Let me spray a little bit more on it. You see? It pours that season onto the fish. Okay, a little bit more on this one. And the reason why I put my season together before, and just to keep my hands a bit clean, I don't want to contaminate the bottles that I'm going to pour my seasoning in. Alright, so don't forget to, you see some napkins there just to dry the fish. You want to dry the fish because you're going to pan fry it. Okay guys, so yeah. So I'm going to do the other side now. You can also season it from a couple hours in advance. Let's turn this back over. Lovely and easy recipe. I'll let this settle for around 15 minutes and I'll come back. Here we are again. Yeah man, back in the kitchen where we do extraordinary things. Okay guys, so here we have our griddle. Ready to do our pan fried salmon. So first of all, let's get that up and going. And I'm going to do a multitask at this time. And don't forget now, we're going to blanch some spinach. Okay guys? So first of all, we're going to need a pan for our spinach. So let's heat that up at the same time. Wrong one. You can see over here we got our spinach already, our baby spinach already washed and dried. And what we're going to be doing, I'll be adding a little bit of coconut oil, you know, just to blanch our spinach. You don't want to add too much seasoning to your spinach because you want it to have that natural taste. Alright? Just a little bit of garlic in there. So you have that spinach and that garlicky taste. Wow, smell that? I'm going to get my test my pan. Don't want to get it too hot. That's the way I test my pan. Alright, so that's for the blanching of the spinach. So I'm just going to go straight in with my spinach. I'm going to wash and everything. So that's about 2 handful of spinach. Look at that. And that's all you need. Perfect combination to go with your salmon. I'm telling you, let me dry it here a bit. Perfect combination, guys. So you want to just turn that in the pot with your hand. You know, don't be afraid to use your hand. Only make sure your hand is clean. All right? Perfect. All right. So that's gonna steam down. Now for my pan fry, just spray a little bit of light light oil, coconut oil inside there. You know, just to get it greasy. Lovely. You can smell that nice flavor going on in there. Alright, so I'm gonna go down with my meat side first at this time. Right. Now look at that. That's your spinach. Get your flame down. That's what I'm saying. You just want to blanch it. You don't want to overcook your vegetable. You want to save all that nutrients in the vegetable. Look at that. See that? That's where you want to heat your vegetable. Just want to steam that down a little bit to get it a bit more soft. Yes, guys, I'm telling you, man. You don't even want to add any salt to that. And that's the way you want it. Yes, guys. So here we are. Again, my salmon. I flipped it over. As you can look at it. Look at how nice and lovely that is. Yeah. See that nice little golden going. What I'm going to do, I'm going to drizzle a little bit of soya sauce just on top of that salmon there. I'm telling you guys, look at that. Just a little bit of my little special sauce on that. And you see all that juice on the salmon, and that's what I'm going to do my asparagus in. You know, so it's going to be really nice, this one. And salmon doesn't take too long to cook. And here we have it, our spinach. Look at that, guys. That's already. You can do it fresh. Because what happened is the coconut oil got a lot of flavor in it, so you don't need to put any salt under that. You want a natural taste of the spinach. Alright? So let's get my thing over here. I guess. See that? So the salmon doesn't take that long to cook. Yeah? Lovely. Yeah, I'll come back and take out this one and see what happens. Alright? Those ones are a bit thicker, so they need a little bit more time. Alright, so you can inspire at the back. Yes. So here we are again. Our salmon is done, man. All done. Look at that. Nice piece of salmon we got there. Nicely cut. See that, guys? Salmon is very gently, so you have to be gently with it. You know, very gently. Look at that. So what we're gonna do now with our asparagus, we're just gonna just a little bit of olive oil onto that. You know, just mix it up a little bit. And let's go straight in the pot. Straight in the pot where you fry your salmon. Straight in there. You know. Look at that. We're gonna be using the pass around these. You know, because asparagus doesn't, you don't want them too soft as well. Nice and crunchy. You know, just shake them around in the pot like that. I think I better use a wooden spoon. You know why? I'm gonna scratch my nice pot. Expensive. Yeah, after that. I'll give this a couple more minutes. And I'm gonna put in my cherry tomatoes in there. Just shaking it like that. Asparagus is almost done. So what next? Our cherry tomatoes. Look. Let's go straight in the pot with them. Yeah. Just want to just roast these a little bit. You know. I'm telling you, so when you roast them like that, the tomato give off a nice flavor. I'm telling you guys. If you never try the little cherry tomatoes like this before, it gives off that nice little sweety taste. Alright? And that's the way I do it. You know? I'm telling you guys. This one is going to be so nice, I'm telling you. Perfect combination. If you're watching your diet, if you're watching what you eat, this is a perfect meal for you guys. You can go ahead and try it. And leave a comment and tell me what you think. You know? Here we're going to go now. We're going to start with the plate up. So what we do, just get our spinach. Oh God, look at that. Let's put a little bit of spinach on the plate, just like that. So what we're going to do now is get a nice piece of salmon. We're using a little bit more of my spinach. Just to put it in the middle there. Put the tomatoes on top of that. Same. Look at that. Don't worry about that. Put a few more tomatoes there just to garnish it up. You know, so what I'll be doing now, I've got some cucumbers, a little bit of carrot that I've shredded. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Just a little bit of decoration there. You know, when Cook and Inspire is in, I never give you guys the chance to actually see what I'm plating up. But now you guys have seen it. Look at that. Lovely. So what I'm doing now, I've just got a little bit of leftover sauce. I'm just going to drizzle that over the vegetable. Ta-da. Done and dusted, I'm telling you. I'm telling you guys, you know when Cook and Inspire in the kitchen. Here we have it. This has been a hard work. Trying to get everything on the plate. You know, pan fried salmon with spinach, asparagus, and cherry tomatoes with some carrots and cucumber. Lovely. Look at that. Until next time, Cook and Inspire in and out the kitchen. This is our main course done. Now I've got one more to go, which is my dessert, and I'll do that in a separate video. So until next time, Cook and Inspire. So leave a comment, let me know what you think. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Yeah man, I did that. Done and dusted.